Hi! In front of me is OPPO A79 and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Now tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just click on one of your passwords that you wish to check and enter your current login method. Then click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!